Fit like. I hope you're all keeping well and welcome aboard again. Now today I'm fishing, well we're fishing. I'm fishing with my pal again, Phil, for Another Angle UK, and as usual he's doing his own video, so you can check out his channel. Come on about, look, it's Phil here, he's saying his tea.
On the coffee already?
Aye, first my coffee.
Well, I can bet you've got a cup.
No, I don't drink coffee, tea I take.
Tea?
Aye,
Okay.
or hate chocolate.
Coffee myself.
But anyway, we're fishing here at this wee beach, never fished here before, and it's called, I'm not sure how to pronounce it in this area, because I've never been here before. I hadn't even heard it before, and I'm from this area. So it's Cullykhan Beach, or Cullykhan Beach. And it's a pretty sandy beach, but there's a lot of stones mixed in with the sand. So I'm not sure if it like it is further out. Dinna can't forget anything, but it's worth a try. We're getting out, and it's a beautiful place to be, so we're going to go. I've 3 rods set up. There's one over at the other side of the beach, the far end. Phil, he's got a couple of rods set up, and I've 2 rods set up here. And each rod has got 6 hooks. They're small hooks. I think they're all size 4. There might be a couple of size 1s mixed in among them. And they've all got the pop-up floats, different shapes and colours. I'm using wee squaries salted mackerel, some strippies of squid, black log, frozen black log that I got for Phil, and prawns that somebody left in a boat. I think it was Ross that left that in the boat. So I'm using your prawns today if you're watching. I've started a new thing, hiding a keyring for somebody to find. Now I started it in the last video at Cullykhan Harbour. It was actually a resident in Cullykhan itself. It was watching a video, her and her loon napped out down the harbour and found the keyring still on the life belt thing. So that made my night. It was really fair trick it we had. So it just shows you it works. I've hidden another keyring today. To can for its out, you'll have to watch the video to the end. You can just scroll to the end if you want. See for the keyring's hidden. If you are the lucky person to find the keyring, give us a comment on this video and let me know that you got it. Or even better, if you want, it's up to yourself, you can send me a wee photo you holding up a keyring and I'll add it to the next video. The address is here, mistyanglintrips@gmail.com. So if you find a keyring and you want your photo to be in the next video, send us the photo, I'll add it to the next video. Well, the bells are now ringing, but what a bonny place to be. And it's fine and sheltered with the direction of wind we've got today. I see there's some caves over here. Oh, maybe hell looky. If you fancy coming over and having a look, come on in. Check this out. Now you can see right through. Hello! It's nobody answering back. Bonny clear water, look at that. thought there was a cave here and all, but it's not. Right. It may well be someday. I'm thinking I could maybe take a fishing road being here and cast out into here. Looks to be a fine enough platform to fish off of. Those guys slidey is, but I hope his sun doesn't spoil the view. Round the back of here, that's Penning. Oh, that bonny white painted houses. There's another bay just round the nuke here. I think that's called Mill, sure. We actually drove down to that before we came here, just to have a looky and see if it like it was. But there seem to be a lot more stains. And the gear we've took today is for soft ground. So let's look the more sandy kind of bit for the gear we've got. Ken. I still didn't hear any bells ringing. I mean, maybe when I get nothing here. But as I was saying, you've got to get a go and get out and enjoy all this lovely weather. This is just the beginning of February now, and look, beautiful. So it helps to shove in the winter. Yeah, it's a bucky. Another one. That's what we call buckies. You maybe call them winkles, but we call them buckies. I used to pack them in hunterwechts and sell them. used to sometimes get out in the middle of winter when it was low water, obviously. Sometimes in the middle of the night, sleet and snow and everything. We just torches and pack us things. And when we was bairns, we used to make a wee fiery down the shore and find an old pint pot, would you believe? And burn the pint out the pot and then put in some salt water, seawater and boil up the buckies and eat them. Eat them with a preen, Ken. Great memories. Yeah, I'll put them back for the blind. Here you go, look. On the other side your pole. Now what's a different lad? So they are different finishings. Then I can if you can eat that white colour things, but we certainly didn't eat them. It was the black ones. I'll maybe haul in a road and check a bait. There hasn't been no bites, not I've heard anyway. This is a flux sitting on the dinner can. There's a lot door the back here with a hammer chopping at the rocks. So I just wonder if he's maybe looking for fossils or something like that. Well, it's a fine day for him. Same as us. The water looks clear enough for our underwater camera. So I'm thinking about sending that out at some point. I'm just going to wait after a shot and haul a couple of times to see there's no sticky bits for losing the camera. And if I might get in my gear back, I'll put the camera out with the flood tide coming in and see if it sees anything. Sometimes you don't get any fish, but the camera sees something, okay? So it'll be interesting. I think there's a fish on this. Bail's working. My mic's not working, so hopefully it's working. Hey! Wee collie. I'm happy with it. I'm off at the blunk. Give him a kiss and we'll get him back quick. Yes! A wee bit of seaweed on this end. Now this is actually a really good film made for me. Size 4 hooks again. And he's got this wee, I'm not sure if it floats or no, I'll have to ask him. Get the spear at him. And a couple of wee beads. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hooks in it, you know. Right. Things is looking encouraging now. It's amazing how a little fishy puts a big smile on your face. Right, I want to get this baited up and get it back out again. That's a bait. Wee bitties of mackerel, prawns, squid. You getting anything, Phil?
No, but I'm not telling you.
I can feel a weight bouncing down the bottom. At some distance shoot. Nothing. It's needed to. Well, freshen it up again, vacuum it again. Oh, actually, the water's rather clear here, so I'll maybe stick the camera on now, because I've hauled in a few times now and we haven't lost nothing. So I think it's safe enough to put the camera on now. So we'll get that out. See if we see anything on the camera. That's my fishing camera, the waterproof camera. I'm going to stick it on the line now and see if it picks up anything. It's a fair chunk of stuff to cast out, like, but it's good when you're looking back in the footage. See, there's a wee burn coming down here, look. Flowing down here. Again, that'll be taking nutrients or whatever down into the sea. When you get some fresh water flowing into the sea, you usually get some flounders, can, or freshies we used to call them, freshwater flukes, a flounder. The water's up to that in, so I'm going to want to haul that in and shift it back up here. I've already shifted the rest of them back. Nothing on again. Freshen a bit up and get it back out. Is there a bite there? Okay. What's that?
Quite a good pull.
Was it?
I give it a couple of good nods, so I think you've got.
Oh, aye, aye. Something.
You let me hold your camera and you sort your rod out.
I think he's probably still on. Look. Yes. Keep an eye on it. A bite on there, I know. I'll get a wee ticken. I see the moon out there. Half moon. I love to hear that bell rattling. Oh, the suspense. I'll tell you what, water's lovely and clear for the camera. The waterproof camera. So hopefully that's picking up something for us to see. This must be an awful small fish, if it is a fish, if it's still on. I've just a feeling it's another buddock. We're trying to get something different, a wee flatty or something. Hey, another buddock. Great stuff. There's something in a bite out. It feels like a moose-shaped mark on it. By the side that you was looking at.
Oh
Yes. Right. We'll get him off and get him back out again. Cheers, Phil. Another wee boddick. I'm just holding up Connie because they're really hard to hold on to, as you can see. Right. I want to muck about with him, get him back quick. Cash and get him back. Come on in, Paul. Right. Come on in. There he goes. Yes. I've only seen him swimming away. And the water's clear like that. Right, beat it up, back out again. Oh, dat bonnie colours, look. That didn't catch nothing. There's nothing biting here today. The bait's been coming in clean. No touch, not even crabs. I'd have been happy with a grindy. I'm going to want to see if I can hide this key ring. So watch carefully so you can afford to get it. I think this is the west side of the beach. I think. You'll see there's been a fire here. And there's some graffiti on this wee dike. See if I can hide it somewhere. So I've got a key ring in a pocket. It's that dike with a graffiti on it. And up here you'll see the key ring and a wee pocket. to keep it clean. I'll put that steen on the top of it, and I'll put another steen in the back of it, like that. That's for the keyring is. Good luck to the finder out. Give us a comment under this video saying if you've gotten it or no. Even better, if you could send a photo holding up a keyring, I'll put your photo onto my next video. So good luck with that then.
You got the horizon straight?
Oh well, I don't know with that. It's a pretty uneven beach. Like, fuck, it doesn't look off even, does it?
No, it doesn't look even at all.
No. Is that better?
What's it look like round the back? Does this posh camera do the horizon then?
There's a level on the tripod.
Okay.
It is bending forward a bit, but I've straightened up the camera. That should be alright.
We're professionals.
Professionals. Oh, aye. Oh, aye.
No half measures here.
Right, that's it for another session.
Enjoyed that.
Really enjoyed the day. The sun's been out most of the day.
Yeah.
It has kind of been blocked with a high cliff side, but it's just been lovely.
It has.
And I had a fine wee wander into that wee caves and stuff. What a beautiful wee spot. Again, not much fish. A perfect fell took all the fish today. So you want to get onto his channel. Up here, look, another Angle UK, and you'll see what he caught. And
Well, there's a surprise, wasn't there?
Phil caught a special wee fishy. Well, I've said the size of it, but what a beautiful fish. And some of the viewers might gain for the days. So check out Phil's channel for that.
Yeah, I was lucky on that one.
Aye. And lovely day again. Good company.
Always good company.
Good company
Always
as
good
usual.
company, yeah.
And mind watch out for the keyring. Keep an eye out for the keyring. Somebody wants it. It's you came for it hidden. I've showed it on a video. And good luck to the person that finds that. As I was saying, it wasn't much fish. The bait was coming in clean all day. There wasn't even there's not even grindies chawing the bait, skin.
I think we've used black lug, squid and salted mackerel, and I think it's been the salted mackerel that's done the damage really today.
The China mackerel seems to be best. I've great faith in that mackerel, like fine oily fish.
Yeah.
They seem to get something with the mackerel. And the small hooks was better today. Size.
Tied up a rig, they were size 4 mustards.
Size 4, right. So, anyway, that's it again. Watch out for more videos, mine.
Tight lines from me, and I'll see you in the next video.
And a tail wag for D.
A tail wag from
For
D.
D.
D's at home.
Take care of thee, and I'll catch you after for me.
See you later. Bye.